yesterday's MEA meeting, Abhishek Banerjee raised two key questions. How did the terrorists manage to enter India? What is the current status of the 4 terrorists involved in Pahalgam attack? He asked whether India has conveyed any displeasure through diplomatic channels over US President Donald Trump announcing the ceasefire before India did. All right, so these were the two questions that were in fact raised by Abhishek Banerjee of the TMC. Remember, he is also part of the Parliamentary Standing Committee for the Ministry of External Affairs, and there were a number of questions that were in fact asked as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned. The entire meeting was of course to clear all these doubts and questions, and there were two specific questions that were asked by Abhishek Banerjee in that particular meeting yesterday. One was that how did the terrorists manage to enter India? What is the current status of the 4 terrorists involved in the Pahalgam attack? Remember, this is a question that has been asked by the Congress party, the Shiv Sena as well. The second question that TMC's Abhishek Banerjee asked is whether India has conveyed any displeasure through diplomatic channels over US President Donald Trump announcing the ceasefire before India did. So remember, this is one of the bone of contention that has been raised by the opposition party time and again. The Congress party, the TMC, the Shiv Sena, the Samajwadi party, all of them has been questioning the government over the intervention of Donald Trump. Remember, US President Donald Trump has announced the ceasefire. He took to the social media. But as far as India is concerned, they have made it very clear that there was no sort of any intervention by US President Donald Trump. But this question is being asked by the opposition time and again. And in the meeting yesterday, where the Parliamentary Standing Committee members of the External Affairs Ministry were in fact present, and they have asked multiple questions. I am now joined by CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen-Gupta for more details on this. Yes, Kamalika.
Yes, what we are coming to know is that the National General Secretary of Trinamool Congress and MP, Abhishek Banerjee, during this MEA Standing Committee meeting, he has raised two questions. Number one, his question was that how did the terrorists manage to enter India, and what is the current status of the 4 terrorists who were involved in the Pahalgam attack? And also he added that are they being nabbed, eliminated? What is their status? That was a question which was put up by Abhishek Banerjee. Along with that, he has also asked that whether India had conveyed any displeasure through the diplomatic channels over US President Donald Trump's announcing the ceasefire between India and Pakistan. Now, this is another question which has been raised by Abhishek Banerjee. That's what we are coming to know. And according to the sources, what we are coming to know that the Vikram Misri replied that the questions are to be answered by MHA. That's what we are getting it from the sources. But these are the two questions which has been put by Abhishek Banerjee.
So 2 questions were raised by Abhishek Banerjee. They were, of course, responded by Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri. But Kamalika, what are you picking up from the TMC camp? Were they actually satisfied by the response that was coming in from the Foreign Secretary?
See, what sources tells us that the TMC camp feels that there was not a proper answer which they were looking for. That's what we are getting it from the sources, that they were feeling that there might be, it was some way of evading the question. That is what the feel is there. Though Trinamool Congress officially has not said anything on this, but what we are picking up from the sources, that this question was not properly answered. That is what the feel was, and definitely these are the two very important questions, because what has happened to those terrorists who have actually killed 26 innocent people on the basis of religion, that the people of the country wants to know. And also the fact that the Donald Trump came and he first tweeted and he tried to show that he is doing everything. So there was this displeasure in the people in the country. So has that displeasure been conveyed to him or not?
Also, Kamalika, what is really the status of the TMC as far as sending a member of parliament from their party to the multi-party delegation is concerned? We have seen that there were a couple of names that was nominated by the government. Does the TMC continues to say that we are not going to send any of our members?
The TMC, first of all, is not saying this, that they will not send anybody. If you see what Abhishek Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee has said yesterday, there Mamata Banerjee has clearly stated that the who will represent that proposal should come to the party, and the party will definitely nominate. The party is 100% at par with the decision of the government of sending a representative. Abhishek Banerjee also stated that he also feels that it is very much right at this point of time India should go abroad and they should represent India's stance, because whatever Pakistan is doing is wrong. But having said that, they are saying that who is going to represent Trinamool Congress, that has to be decided by Trinamool Congress. The approach came to the parliamentary party and not to Mamata Banerjee. So that's where they are. If they send some proposal now, they can consider. That was the mood of Mamata Banerjee's statement yesterday.
All right. Many thanks, Kamalika, for getting us all those details. Let me now go across to my colleague Payal Mehta also. Payal, two questions that were raised by TMC's Abhishek Banerjee. One, what about those terrorists who were behind the Pahalgam attack? Have they been nabbed yet? Secondly, regarding the intervention of the US president, what has been the response? Of course, the meeting, when we talk about parliamentary standing committee meeting is concerned, it's a closed door meeting, no much details need to be revealed. But if you could tell us the basics that your sources are in fact telling you right now.
I tried asking Abhishek Banerjee yesterday about what questions he really asked, but since these meetings are very, very secretive and they are meant to be closed door, Abhishek Banerjee did not throw any light on them, and rightly so. Given the fact that he said that he would like to present his party's stand, and he stands completely in support as far as the fight against terrorism is concerned. Having said that, when multiple questions were asked about what India did and why did India not intervene and did not allow, why did India allow Donald Trump to make that announcement, India has once again clarified very, very clearly that it was a bilateral decision. Pakistan DGMO contacted India, and that's when the ceasefire really happened. There was no intervention whatsoever by US or any other country. Number one. Number two, on the question that Abhishek Banerjee had asked about what has happened to the terrorists, where are they, have they been nabbed, etc. One has to understand that question belongs to the Ministry of Home Affairs. Given the fact that security is the issue of the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Foreign Affairs Ministry will not have any details about that, and that is why it was clarified very clearly by the Foreign Secretary that this is not his domain, this is not his subject. He will in fact ask Abhishek Banerjee to refer this question to the Ministry of Home Affairs.
What about the other opposition leaders? What were their questions, Payal, in this particular meeting that was, as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, what were the other questions that were raised by them?
Like multiple leaders that raised multiple questions on the US, that was primarily the focus. How many jets have been down is a question that, Mr. Hooda had asked. Mr. Dipender Hooda had asked that question, to which the government had said that it is not possible to divulge these details because the operation is not complete and we are still, assessing, and it's going to be a military challenge to, in fact, announce that right now, and we don't want to empower the enemy nation is what exactly was said. Of course, questions were asked on trade with Turkey. Questions were asked otherwise also on what really is happening. I remember Sagarika Ghosh, another member of parliament from TMC, had also asked multiple questions surrounding US President Donald Trump. But again, these are only source-based information essentially because, like I said, it's a closed-door meeting. Dr. Shashi Tharoor came out and said it was a very good meeting. All the questions were really answered. And that is at least the only thing that we have on record.
All right. Many thanks, Payal, for getting us all those details of the meeting that was held yesterday.
News18.com. Mark is way ahead of the Times of India with 38% more users on native and social platforms. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks. Way ahead of the Times.